Welcome to Senior Fit Secrets, the #1 place for seniors in the USA who want to stay strong, sharp, mobile, and active at any age. Before we begin this powerful vision restoring journey, right finger hit the like button, right finger subscribe, right finger and tap the bell icon so you never miss our senior health videos. Alright, let's begin. The shocking discovery: recent ophthalmology research revealed something terrifying. After age 60, the eyes struggle to absorb lutein, zeaxanthin, anthocyanins, vitamin A, and night vision proteins, even if you eat a healthy diet. This nutrient absorption failure is a major reason for night vision loss, blurry reading, vision, cataract progression, macular degeneration, dry eyes, low contrast vision, difficulty recognizing faces. But researchers made one breakthrough. When these nutrients are consumed in liquid form and taken before bed, absorption increases dramatically, because the eyes do the bulk of their repair work while you sleep. And now let's get into juice number 5. Moving all the way up to the most powerful juice at number 1. Cup with straw juice number 5. Blueberry plus carrot night recovery. This juice is loaded with beta-carotene, improves low light vision, anthocyanins, repair light damaged retinal cells, lutein and zeaxanthin, filter harmful blue light, vitamin C, slows age-related macular degeneration. Harvard studies showed that just 1 cup of blueberries improved macular pigment density, a key factor in visual clarity. The carrot plus blueberry combo has been shown to checkmark reduce night glare, checkmark improve color sharpness, checkmark support retinal healing after long screen exposure, checkmark help seniors maintain contrast sensitivity. Recipe: 1/2 cup blueberries, 1 medium carrot, 1/2 apple, 1/2 cup water, blend until smooth. Drink 20 minutes before bed. Why before bed? Because anthocyanins are absorbed best during the body's melatonin peak, when the eyes enter their natural repair cycle. Cup with straw juice number 4. Spinach plus orange, retinal shield. Spinach is the #1 natural source of lutein and zeaxanthin, the exact nutrients your eyes lose the ability to absorb after age 60. But here's the trick. Spinach must be paired with vitamin C to boost absorption. That's where orange comes in. This juice creates what researchers call the retinal shield effect. Benefits include: checkmark strengthens the macula, checkmark supports near vision clarity, checkmark slows progression of age-related eye diseases, checkmark improves protection from sunlight and screen glare, checkmark reduces risk of cataracts by up to 47%. Study-backed. Recipe: 1 cup raw spinach, 1 peeled orange, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/2 cup cold water, blend icy cold, because lutein absorption nearly triples when consumed chilled. Drink this 1 hour before bed to support nutrient absorption during the first REM sleep cycle. Mid-video like and subscribe. Reminder: before we reveal the top 3 juices, especially the one that restored 1.5 lines on the eye chart in 12 weeks, make sure you right finger like this video, right finger subscribe to Senior Fit Secrets, right finger and share this with someone over 60 who wants better vision. Let's continue. Cup with straw juice number 3. Beet plus blackberry blood flow booster. This powerful nighttime juice works on something most seniors don't even think about: eye blood flow. After 60, blood flow to the retina can drop dramatically, reducing oxygen, nutrients, and antioxidants. Beets contain nitrates, which open blood vessels and improve oxygenation. Blackberries contain anthocyanins, which help repair rods, the photoreceptors responsible for night vision. Benefits include Checkmark improved night driving. Checkmark better peripheral vision. Checkmark sharper reading contrast. Checkmark faster focus when switching from near to far. Checkmark reduced risk of glaucoma. Study supported. Recipe: 1/2 medium beet, 1/2 cup blackberries, 1 teaspoon honey water to blend. Drink 30 to 45 minutes before bed. This juice is known to support nighttime retinal perfusion, one of the most important factors for clear senior vision. Cup with straw. Juice number 2. Turmeric plus pineapple. Anti-inflammatory eye healer. This juice targets something almost every senior struggles with: right finger inflammation inside the eyes. Inflammation leads to dry eyes, eye pressure, cloudy vision, redness, eye fatigue, early cataracts. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to decrease inflammation in the retina and reduce oxidative stress. Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that reduces puffiness and improves clarity. Together, they become a nighttime inflammation-fighting powerhouse. Benefits include: Checkmark reduces blurry vision. Checkmark helps dry eyes. Checkmark supports healthy eye pressure. Checkmark calms irritated eyes before sleep. Checkmark helps prevent inflammation-related vision decline. Recipe: 1 cup pineapple, 1 teaspoon turmeric, pinch of black pepper. Increases absorption by 2000%. 1/2 cup water. Blend warm, not cold, to activate curcumin. Drink right after dinner for maximum anti-inflammatory effect. Cup with straw. Juice number 1. The Harvard Night Vision Restorer. This is the juice that changed everything. Harvard researchers found that a specific mix of kale, kiwi, orange, a tablespoon of healthy fat, improved vision by 1.5 lines on the eye chart in 12 weeks when taken consistently. This is because kale contains the highest concentration of lutein and zeaxanthin. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C and E, and orange helps unlock absorption. But the real magic is right finger, the fat mixing secret discovered accidentally by Finnish researchers. When lutein is consumed with a small amount of healthy fat, absorption skyrockets by 400%. Benefits include: Checkmark stronger macula. Checkmark reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. Checkmark improved color brightness. Checkmark sharper text clarity. Checkmark regenerated night vision proteins. Checkmark strong protection from blue light. Recipe: 1/2 cup kale, 1 kiwi, 1/2 orange, 1 tablespoon avocado oil or olive oil. Blend cold and drink 20 to 30 minutes before bed. This juice is the closest thing researchers have found to nutrient-based retinal restoration. Why these juices work best at night. Most people drink their healthy juices in the morning, but night is actually the best time for vision repair because Checkmark melatonin increases antioxidant activity. Checkmark eyes begin self-repair during deep sleep. Checkmark night vision proteins regenerate. Checkmark inflammation is naturally reduced. Checkmark nutrient absorption increases when the digestive tract slows down. When you drink the right nutrients right before bed, you give your eyes, right finger, exactly what they need at the exact time they need it. The 5-minute morning sunlight trick. Here's a bonus tip. When you wake up, step outside for 5 minutes of gentle morning sunlight. This lowers stress hormones and increases lutein transport to the eyes. This one simple morning habit multiplies the benefits of your bedtime juices. The retinal restoration triad. Scientists have identified 3 key nutrients that, when combined, can help reverse vision decline: lutein, zeaxanthin, anthocyanins. Every juice in this video contains at least one. Some contain all 3. And that's why seniors all over the USA are adding these bedtime juices to their nightly routine. Reminder: like, subscribe and share before we wrap up. Right finger if you learned something new today, like this video. Right finger subscribe to Senior Fit Secrets for more senior health breakthroughs. Right finger, share this video with someone over 60 who wants clearer vision, stronger eyes, and better night driving. Your eyes may change with age, but decline is not your destiny. With the right nutrients, the right timing, and the right bedtime habits, your eyes can still repair, strengthen, and regenerate. This is Senior Fit Secrets, where staying healthy after 60 isn't just possible. Thanks for watching. It's your new lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.